So here guys at the IRE 2019 in New Orleans, and I'm here with Jen. Jen, tell me about your product. What does it do? Who's behind it? Is it you? Is it your business?
I have multiple partners, including that manufacturer back there.
All right.
We manufacture this product. Brand new product that is made for the residential roofer.
How brand new?
This show.
This show. So how much does it run and what does it do?
Contractor price is $49.95.
So what does it do? 20 by 40, okay.
20 by 8 squares.
So what's custom base? So you're talking about like this metal box?
No.
So this one?
Right here. This is what goes in the roof.
Okay.
This moves front and back to adjust this tension here in the post. The post is also adjustable.
Okay.
And the tension bars can move up the canopy.
Okay.
So you get height.
Okay.
It also comes not only with 6 bases, no, not this, 6 bases,
Okay.
6 posts, 6 tension bars. It also comes with that device over there, which is called a ladder dock. The ladder dock goes over the gutter. The most damaged thing on a house is a gutter when they put the ladder up. This will protect it. Plus, they tie their ladder off, putting it in here, keeping it safe so it doesn't move laterally. This comes with the kit. The system comes with a 2-foot by 6-foot banner that they put their name and their phone number on there so everybody sees who's working and how to contact them.
Who's behind the invention?
Next Gen Roof Solutions. Roofumbrella.com. All
Awesome.
one word, roofumbrella.com. Right now, we're selling direct. Retail is $49.95. That's for the 6 bases, 6 posts, 6 tension bars, the ladder dock, and the banner. Listen guys, one thing before I give you an explanation.
Sure.
If there is rain and there starts to be a little pooling, there are grommets up there. The water will come in and go right out the gutter, off the edge of the roof.
How much is this tarp and how fast can you get one if you rip one?
Well, it comes with a kit. We will be able to sell component pieces separately.
Okay.
We hope it lasts as long as the guys handling it will be careful with it.
So what size again? This is actual size?
No, this is just show size. This
Okay.
is 10 by 20.
Okay.
The actual kit is a 20 by 40.
That's impressive.
That's 8 squares. That's a lot of space.
How many times have you set this up? Have you got an average time to set up?
We're going to show you on the video. Less than 30 minutes with 2 men. Breakdown is exactly the same. And the beauty is, you can take the front and move it to the back. These ridge posts will stay here and they'll just hit it. So what are you going to do for us, gentlemen? How are you going to help us sell it?
If we have a cut, if we have a few pennies, we can. Let's
Wait a minute.
Let's
I'll
talk
charge
business.
for my time. I'm $1,500 a day. Well, I appreciate it. If you buy 4 or more, we'll pay the freight.
Awesome.
I hope we got that on tape.
That might be the deal.
$5
We need you guys in groups of 4.
Who do you cater to? Who's your audience?
Roofers.